Now we are going to do rounding off to the nearest 100 and to the nearest 1,000. Let's start with rounding off to the nearest 100. All right, now very important, we always remember that the magic number is 50 when we are rounding off to the nearest 100. You can remember it easily. 50 is half of 100. Right, let's take a look at the first one. First thing is circle the 100 and underline the 10, just right next door. Remember that the 10, I'm reminding you all that the 10 says to the 100, what must it do? Must it go up or must it stay? What does the 3 say? 30 is less than 50, our magic number, less than 50, so it says to the 6, stay. Right, so it says at 600. Remember, these two numbers fall away and become zeros. 1, 2 of those numbers become zeros. Right, remember your approximation sign. And the 600 is in the hundreds pattern. Let's move over to the next one. 753, we circle the 100, underline the 10. Right, what is it? 50. Magic number is 50. So it says to the 7, you must go to the next number, remember? So here we go. It is 2, 8, and then these two become zeros. 800's in the hundreds pattern. Remember, just always check. Circle the 100 now. Underline the 10s. What does a 6 say to us? It's more than 50. So it will also say to the 9, go up. What's 1 more than 9? That's right, it's 10. And then you still must put 2 more noughts on, of course. Be careful of that. Count your noughts carefully. Thousands is in the hundreds counting pattern, so that is correct. Oopsie. Let's just make our sign nicely. Right, now 1,439, we circle our hundreds, underline the 10s. Let's have a look at what the 10 says. What does a 3 say? A 3 says stay. Okay, right. So to the 4 it says stay, so it becomes 400. But you know what I've done now? I'm nearly forgetting that the 1,000 must go along too. The 1,000 has to come along too. So it's 1,400, and those become zeros. There we go. Rounding off now to the nearest 1,000, let's do those. So we're going to remember our magic number is 500, which is of course half of 1,000. So it's easy to remember. Circle our 1,000, underline our 100 in this case. What does a 400 say? It's less than the 500, so it says stay. It says to this 2, stay. So let's do that. It becomes just stays at 2, and these all become 3 zeros, and it's in the thousands counting pattern. Look. Right, nearest 1,000, circle 1,000, underline our 100. 500, oh yes. It's exactly on the 500, so it says go up 4, so it becomes 5,000, because those 3 are all now zeros. 5,000 in the thousands counting pattern. Right, let's have a look now. We are going to look at the 600. Oh, of course, 600 is even more than 500, so it says to the thousands go up. So it becomes 4, and then these become 3 zeros, 4,000, which is also in the thousands counting pattern. There's our answer. Right, circle our thousands. Oh, there are no thousands. Underline the hundreds. What must we do? It's like almost as though there's a naught there. Hey, what does a 7 say? At 700 says, yes, you must go up. So 0 goes up to then 1. That's right. And these drop off and become 3 zeros. Once again in the thousands counting pattern. And now you know exactly how to do yours today. Remember all the steps.